This is to show you on your post back here. I'm going to go into edit post. One thing that I noticed in here, this is on visual. This kind of shows you what it looks like. It looks a little better than this. Not quite so stitched together. I'm going over here to the HTML tab, and a lot of times, like, you have some things here that are doubled, tripled, there's different span tabs and things in here, and this is not necessarily the best formatting to have on there. Sometimes it goes in there if you copy and paste from something else. Sometimes it just goes there when you use the WordPress code to change the size and the colors and things like that, and then you make a correction and a change, and it doesn't always get rid of it all the time, and sometimes you'll have it double and tripled up. WordPress has this thing that's called kitchen sink. If you look at this little button here and you click on it, it pops up more things that you can use. This is kind of handy. I really love that they have it. One thing it has is an undo button. Sometimes before they had this, I would be typing a post and somehow hit something and I'd lose all my words to be deleted. And I didn't have a way to get it back because there was no undo. So I love that they added the undo. One thing they have here is to remove formatting, and if I just highlight the whole thing, and it'll take the formatting off, and then I can start fresh. The other one that you have, the old one, is still set like that. Then I'm going to show you a few things here, and we'll get it started. I like to have an image show up at the very first of the post, so we're going to go ahead and maybe add one of the subdivision up here at the top. I'm putting the pictures in here. You might decide you want the pictures in here a different way and rearrange them in a different order, and go ahead and do that. I'm not sure which pictures you want in there, but I'm going to go ahead and put what I feel like will look well, and you can edit and change it like you want. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and click on this to upload the images. I am in Internet Explorer right now. Sometimes this works better in Firefox. I don't know which you use, but we'll see how it works with the Internet Explorer. The top part of it is you can't see up here at the top. It's past my screen. But the first says to add an image from computer. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. I don't know that we have to. It's already clicked, because we just have to select file. And so I'm going to click on that. Then it pops up in the box. I can move it on down here, and you can go ahead and find the file. I'm going to go ahead and add all 6 of these. I had the other 8. I'm not sure if you had some you wanted on one post and some on the other. I'm just picking some out. Like I said, you can change them up some if you wish. But what I'm doing is I'm clicking on the first one, and then I'm going to hit shift and click on that last one that selects all of them, and then that way I can just have them all upload at once. Okay, and the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to hit save all changes. Okay, in the gallery it's showing all the pictures we had in here, the first 8, the second one. I like it when they're titled with the names instead of the numbers. A lot of them go with numbers, but if you have there, sometimes it'll mean more to the search engines, are easy to find. I'm just going to start with the beautiful view up there at the top. Okay, and well, maybe not that one. Let's maybe get a different one. Okay, I have One of a Kind with Glen Park. And if you wanted to add a description or something, you could. Caption, you have the title, and that's what's important to have up there. Actually, in the title, we can space it out some. Now, if you want your image to link to something else, you would put a link URL here, and where you want it to go. We have none in here. Right here, I'm going to go ahead and center this first one. They give you different sizes here. This kind of resizes some for you. Your full size here is what it has. If it goes over the edge, then go down to the medium. We're going to put a full size one in and see how it works. Click on the Insert into Post.